Hello, CPC friends. TFM from the German CPC Live forum asked me whether it would be possible to mix more than two sound sources with the Lambda Speak FS speech synthesizer and MP3 card. As you know, Lambda Speak FS has a speech output, it has PCM sound, also has MP3 module on the back output, and ideally we would all mix those together with a little audio circuitry on board. But that circuitry can only mix the speech synthesizer output and the PCM output. And unfortunately, we cannot mix the MP3 output or the CPC sound output together with that. So I found a good solution now. This is the little Bear passive audio mixer. It has 4 input ports here and 1 output port, right? And very nice build quality, so all metal or steel or whatever that is, right? It's a passive audio mixer, as I said, so you need a decent amplifier, an active powered speaker such as this one at the end, because the signal levels are a little bit reduced, of course, due to the passive audio mixing. But on the positive side, I mean, it's still loud enough and it works. And the noise quality level is very low, actually, so it's a very good sound quality. So how about we demonstrate this with a game that actually has speech output, CPC sound, as well as MP3 background music, right? And so on one I have the CPC sound, right, from the CPC sound output. Then here I have the MP3 module output on channel 2, and let's start a background song here. Also nicely controls the level here. Very nice potentiometers also, the very sturdy, good build quality. And then here on number 3 we have PCM sound and speech output, Lambda Speak mixed together. Okay, let's level down the MP3 sound and start a game which has speech output, CPC music as well. The Wrath of the MCPC, which I extended for Lambda Speak speech output, my contribution to this year's CPC retro dev, right?
Attention, incoming data transmission.
Firmware override complete.
So the levels and sound quality are quite good, nice mixed together.
After my destruction by the obsolete programs
decent control
I
here,
became
very
pure consciousness. I uploaded my presence into this computer. This brilliant device is now under my full control.
I really like these potentiometers.
Defeat me in the games to get the CPC release. Need my best driving program. My presence on the grid is limited, but my eyes are deadly. Use cursor keys and space to teleport. Max 3 times, or use the paint stick and fire. End of line. Press any key to transfer the grid. Vacate entry port, program. I said, move out.
Now let's start mixing in some MP3 background music.
Prepare yourself for programs as are going to meet the wrath of the MCPC. I was planning to hit the Pentagon next week. Greetings, programs.
Yeah, it's definitely possible to find a level for all 3 sources.
Mr. Pillowing, I am so very disappointed in you.
That works for a game. So I consider this little mixer a good solution to our CPC
program.
audio mixing problems. You can still hear every sound source nice and clearly. The background sound
End
is
of line.
the speech. And you have really good control over the levels.
I can run things 900 to 1200 times better than any human.
Okay, so much for that. Now maybe one more demo. We have one channel left here, one input left, number 4. And this I assigned to the output of the E-Wave general MIDI module. So let's one more time listening to the sound quality of that mixer by playing some general MIDI song fragment. By the way, I'm still working on a converter program, a Python converter, which would allow me to basically convert full general MIDI songs and also make use of memory expansions. But that's work in progress. Those MIDI fragments were recorded directly into the CPC and streamed from a PC MIDI playback program.
Serial mode. Serial command start with 255. Serial interface active at 31,000. 250 pods, 8 bits, 1 stop bits, and no parity. Direct mode.
And here we go again with the Alan Parsons project and games people play. Channel 4, level 4. Right, so great little mixer. I can really recommend that one. Saves you an additional power supply and is very low noise. Also, it has these little dip switches here, which allow you to change the input impedance from 1K to 4.7K. Yeah, I guess that's it. Thanks for watching, guys.